The Kia Home Broadway has over 250 customer reviews and a 4.6 star rating. Customers frequently mention that the Broadway is easy to install, looks very nice, and is good quality. The Kia Home Broadway is perfect to install in a kitchen above a sink, in a closet, or above a gallery wall. This sleek directional track light comes in a beautiful oil rub bronze finish with hand-painted gold trim, and is available with 3 or 4 lights. The Broadway features many intricate and decorative accents on both the body and heads that add to the industrial look and feel. Each of the heads can be rotated and adjusted up to 90 degrees, allowing you to cast light in multiple directions, so you can illuminate your space exactly how you want. The versatility of Broadway means it can be used in a multitude of ways, from lighting up an artist studio to accenting a wall of collectibles. Need to add mood to your creative setup? The Broadway is also dimmable when used with the proper bulb and dimmer combination. As always, the Broadway light is ETL listed for your safety. You may notice similar competing items on the Amazon market space that say UL listed sockets, or not have UL or ETL listings at all. Those companies are trying to cut corners and save a buck. However, at Kia Home, all of our factories and items produced in those factories have been subjected to certification by those safety labs. Our feedback is never influenced or bought. All of our reviews are genuine and truthful from real customers. And remember, we are a US-based company with real local support. So if you ever encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to us online, on the phone, or by the email listed on all of our product manuals and packaging.